Hey guys, let's talk about the Tapo C510W setup. It's pretty simple. I have here the camera and also the power supply to connect to the camera, an SD card, and my phone. Okay, you just need your phone. It doesn't matter if it's an Android or iPhone. You just need to have this Tapo app and then you can set up the camera. So just come to your app store and look for Tapo. Okay, so you look for Tapo here and look for this one, TP-Link Tapo. Open it up, install and open it up. And you're gonna create an account. If you don't have one yet, just use your email, create a password. Then when you open the app, you have here the option to insert a new camera. You see that works with different cameras, Tapo C100, Tapo C200, Tapo C216. I have all of them here in the same app. Just come here to the top. And here on the plus signal, you're gonna add a new device. So add a device. Now you're gonna look for your camera. In this case, we are talking about the Tapo C510W, which is an outdoor camera, okay? So look for outdoor here. And then look for Tapo C510W. Just go down until you find it. C500, C510W, that's the one, okay? And now you just need to confirm that's flashing green and red. It's not yet because the camera is not on, so I just need to use my power supply here, connect to the outlet and then connect to the camera. There we go. Connect to the camera here, and now we just need to wait for the camera to boot up and do the tests. Okay, it's a pan and tilt camera. It's going to boot up and do this movement in the horizontal, which is the pan, and then in the vertical it is the tilt. And when it stops, you see that's going to flash red and green, okay? So right now it's just doing its tests. Horizontal movement. Now you're gonna see in a while the tilt movement. You see it looks down and then it looks up. And you're gonna stop in a while and show you the LED flashing. There we go, it's flashing right now, red and green. So we are good to go. Come back here to the app and continue. And here you're gonna find the signal of the camera here on your Wi-Fi. It's not the router right now, it's just the signal of the camera. Basically, the cell phone is going to connect directly to the camera first and give the camera the information what's the Wi-Fi the camera needs to connect to, okay? And what password to use to connect to the Wi-Fi router. So basically connect your phone to the camera right now. So look for the camera here on your Wi-Fi. You see it's connected to my router right now, and I'm gonna change and connect directly to the camera. So I just need to refresh until I find here the Tapo camera signal. If it's not here yet, just need to keep looking, refreshing until it shows up. Sometimes it takes a while. I have a TP-Link here, but that's not the one. Just make sure that I have the correct one, which is the Tapo C510. There we go. Now I have it. Okay. Right now it's a different name, but it's a Tapo can, the only one that I have here. Connect to it. You see it becomes blue. The background, it just come back to your app. And there we go. Now it's looking for the Tapo device. Found it. Just wait. And now you need to insert the network name. Now it's time to select here your Wi-Fi, okay? You just select here your Wi-Fi. Here you can go to select and select the Wi-Fi they want to connect to. And here insert the password, okay? And then next, confirm here the username and password, the Wi-Fi and password. Hit next. It's gonna add the camera.
To Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi connected.
There we go. Now you just need to insert a name. Hit next. Select a location. Let's say office. Next again. Select an icon. Next. And sounds good. Just dismiss here. Got it. And there's information about insert a micro SD card. So basically here I have a class 10 micro SD card or higher. That's the speed of the card, and also the storage capacity here from 8 gigabytes to 512 gigabytes. Okay, just make sure that I have the correct card, and hit got it, and got it again, and you're good to go. You have your Tapo camera just right here. Okay, let me just insert the SD card now, because I have one here. Then you just need to look for the slot here. Let me just move this up. And there we go. Here I have the slot for the SD card. Just open it up. And there we go. Okay. Just put this in this position. Just like so. Press it. And you're good to go. Just close that back. If you want to record, of course, right?
The SD card is not formatted. Please format it according to the app guidelines.
You see I got a message here to format the SD card. Let me just put this here. And then now I'm gonna get into the camera. And now some information about how the camera works. Pretty good. Let me just hit here, got it. And you see that I have information about new micro SD card. I can initialize or format the SD card. Okay, here I have image of the camera. And now it's formatted the SD card already. See, it was pretty fast. I saw the information here, and now it's not there anymore because it's already formatted, right? Then I can come here and start controlling the camera already. So basically working back there, it's upside down. Of course, depending on the way you're gonna install your camera, you just need to flip the image later, right? So I just come here to the settings, and here have all the information for the setup. Storage and recording. Here I have local recording enabled. So basically it's going to record here into the SD card with the local storage. There we go, loop recording. It's going to record, and every time the card is full, it's going to delete the old recordings and start recording the new ones. So I'm good to go. You just need to come here and format the SD card. The camera already did that because it noticed that I didn't have the SD card formatted and did that for me. And I'm good to go here at the local storage. And here I can come also to the video display. Take a look here, invert image. There we go. Let me just come back there and see if it's good. And I have upgrade to do. Just need to update the camera. I'm gonna do this later. There we go. Now I have the correct position. And I can just play here with the pan and tilt. You see that's moving back there. This the horizontal movement or the pan movement. And then can work also with the tilt, right? Up and down. Pretty good. And then when I come back here, I also have this playback and download. From here, I can read everything that I have recorded into the card, okay? So the camera is going to start recording, and when I come back here, I'm gonna see the recordings, and I can download to my cell phone as well. So pretty simple to work with this. Back here to the settings. Here is important to enable the detection, okay? So I have motion detection. Just come here. You see that's some explanation about how it works. And I need to have motion detection on, person detection on, camera tempering. Let me just put this to on as well. And sensitivity. Basically, the camera tampering is when I block the camera like this. For example, somebody put the hand in front of the camera. You're gonna have the tampering. Okay, so the camera is going to record based on this action, and I'm gonna also send you an alarm, okay? A message. Motion tracking, basically the camera can track you if you want to and move. People are moving in front of the camera can follow them. Oh, pretty basic. Let me just come back here to storage and recording and take a look at the schedule, right? And here just need to make sure that I'm recording by motion detection. You see here, or you can change it to continuous recording or don't record. Let's say I want to edit this one, and here I can, for example, select and paint. Right now, this timeline here indicates that it's continuously recording. All right. And then if I just come back here again and save, it's going to work like this. So it's going to record by detection every time other than this one. Okay, just save here and I'm good to go. Just an example. Usually I leave everything here as detecting recording, okay, but you can change if you want to, and you're good to go. And also here you can enable notification, then it's going to receive notification on your cell phone, and everything is set up. And the last step here is just come here and update your camera with the latest firmware. Okay, so pretty simple. That's basically the way that you can set up your Tapo C510W. Okay, so I hope you like this video. Please subscribe to this channel, leave your thumbs up and your comments, and I see you in the next one.